Good morning and welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guy, where we share all the tips and tricks in social media, advertising, and how to post your stuff and how to sell your stuff basically. Now, I was talking to a friend of mine and he asked me a question, and he owns a smaller store and he puts stuff on Marketplace and different places. And he asked me, how come I don't get any messages? Or how come I don't get as much messages as you? Because it's funny, because sometimes we sell the same product, like this phone holder that you can see, and he posted it and I posted it and I sold a bunch of them, and he's like, oh, how did you do with your phone holders? I'm like, oh, I sold a lot of them. And he's like, wow, how? So there's a couple of little tricks you have to do if you want to move your product on Facebook Marketplace, okay? Now, I'm not saying I'm the best and I'm the guru. I'm just a guy that's been selling on Facebook for a long time. And Facebook has been changing every 6 months, every year, every 3 months. They have new policies, they have new rules, they have new things going on. So this video is just gonna update you, okay? But there's a couple of little tricks that you wanna remember. So if you're brand new to my channel here, make sure you hit the subscribe so you can see all my other videos. And please share this with your friends if you know somebody who can benefit from this. So for example, I'm going to use this because it's a nice and small item. I want to post this item on a marketplace, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step. Maybe you know how to do this, maybe you don't know how to do this, maybe you learn something new. So I go to the marketplace, but before I go to the marketplace, I want to take some pictures. What do you want to do, guys? Make sure for your pictures, you find a nice, clean, bright spot. Now, you don't have to have an expensive studio and expensive lights and expensive, like I'm just using my desk. This is my desk, this is where I work, this is where I sell all my stuff on eBay and on Marketplace. Excuse the mess, but we receive a lot of stuff and we move a lot of stuff, right? So just pick up your desk, it's nice and clean, and you have some lights, just the normal lights you have in your room, okay? Now, when you open your phone, I know a lot of people don't know this. When you open your camera, go to more and go to pro mode. It will take nicer pictures for you. Now watch this. If your phone is very close to the item like this, the light's gonna be a little bit messed up. So what you wanna do, move it back and then zoom in. You see a lot better picture. You see it's right in the middle. So I take a picture. Oops. In the middle. Now I leave the item right there, and I also take pictures from the side, from the back, from the corner. You can add up to 10 pictures and a video for Facebook. Remember that. So I want my customers to see this is brand new. There's no dents. There's nothing on it, right? There's a serial number. Maybe I'll post that too. Now, if it's possible, what you want to do, you have an item that's open, so actually customers can see. Which one is more impulsive? This one here in the box, it's just a phone holder, or like this. I zoom out. So my customers can actually see the item. So what you want to do also, you want to take a couple of pictures like this. Make sure they can see all the sides. So when I go to my photos, watch. They can see exactly what this item is. They see the box, they see the serial number. It's nice and clear. See how bright it is? Because I'm using a pro mode. Okay, now. You're allowed to take 10 pictures. What I do, I normally take about 20 pictures and then I choose the best ones. Now I go to the marketplace, selling. This is where you want to pay attention, guys. There's a couple of things that you want to do here. I go to create a listing, one item, and I'm going to put my photos right here. I use this, then I use this, and I'm using this and this. Boom, 10 photos, right? What is the title? It's a car. Or actually I go phone holder for the car, and it's brand new. So it's not a long title, it's a very short title. Phone holder, it gets right to the point. What is this? It says right on the box, phone holder. If you don't know what to write down, just write down what it says on the box. It's a phone holder. It's actually a 360 degrees, so I'll put that there too. Oops. Phone holder, 360 degree, brand new. Price, we're gonna sell this item here for $10. Description, what's the description? Make a short description. Now, if you don't know how to do this, just go to ChatGPT and it makes your life so much easier. I have ChatGPT, I use Plus, I have a photo, I put a photo here, I put a photo here, photo, boom. Make a short description for Facebook. Whoops. So it's gonna be done professionally. It give you a title and it give you a little description, and it's got some hashtags. That's for Facebook if you want to post it on your page. I just want to post it on Marketplace, so I'll put this one, description, recommended, and I'm gonna paste. And what I'll do, I just delete this because I don't want to spam. Delete all this. Now, you want to go to your location. Where is your location? Wherever you live, you go up here and you put the location, okay? So I live in Hawkesbury, Ontario. Hawkesbury, Ontario. So I'll put my location, right? Apply. Now, right here, this is very important, guys. More listing options. Category, it tells you already. Facebook is smart. Cell phone cases, covers, and skins. Leave it there. If it's not there, you can actually choose. Is it toys? Is it electronics? Is it health and beauty? Is it arts? Is it crafts? Is it garage sale? You pick the category, right? Also, additional listing options. This is very important. Watch this. So it tells you what it is. You can pick. It's car parts and accessories or cell phone. I like to put car parts and accessories because it's for a car. What's the condition of this item? Is it new? Is it used? Is it used good? Is it used fair? So it's brand new in our case, right? And you got your description, professionally done by ChatGPT. This is what you don't want to miss. Tags. And I tell you why. Tags. Phone holder. Then you go down and it created a tag for you right here. Phone holder. Also, I put car phone holder. You can put as many tags as you want. I can also put cell phone accessories. Okay, now the reason I did this, when people go on Marketplace, they're gonna search for either phone holders or for car phone holder or for phone accessories, so your item will pop up. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Watch. SKU, don't worry about that. Okay, list as a single item. If you're a store, you're a business and you're selling like lots of different items, you want to put as in stock. Or if you only have one and you're just selling one item, you put as only one. Public meetup, door pickup, door drop off. We don't deliver. Door pickup. It's a business, they come to the business, right? If you want to do a public meetup, you can do a public meetup. That's up to you. I don't like to meet people in public. I can do delivery for them. They can come pick it up at my shop. Okay? Also, it gives you option to boost the listing. That's a different story. I have another video on that. You can watch that later. Now, we're gonna, boom, post this. Also, this is very important because I have joined so many local groups. Ottawa Buy and Sell Group, Lancaster, Brownsburg, Chatham, North Dundas, Prescott and Russell, Castleman, Plantagenet, Eastern Ontario, Classified Alfred, Rockland, Nation, Hawkesbury, Alexandria, Grimville, Hammond, Bourget, Windover, Clarence, Rockland. I have joined as many people, as many groups as possible. So what I'll do, I'm gonna post this and I'm gonna post it here. I'm gonna post it here. No, not here. I'm gonna post it here. I'm gonna post it here. I'm gonna post it here. You can choose as many groups as you want. You're allowed to choose up to 20 groups. So some of these groups, look at this, 12,000 members, 11,000 members, 35,000 members, 15,000 members. Post. Publish. It's gonna take a second. So my little item here is gonna be seen by God, maybe 50, 60, 70, 100,000 people. Now it goes here to boost the listing. If you wanna boost it, it depends what you're selling. I'm selling a $10 item, so I really don't care. Before actually I have done this because I had phone chargers and I had 1,000 pieces and I boosted them. I was in Toronto and I had a huge market. If you live in a bigger city, you can boost it. That's up to you. Facebook charges you like $2 a day, $3 a day, whatever you want to choose, right? Now, if you're selling something that's more expensive, you're selling a $200 item, it's probably worth it to spend $2 a day, $3 a day for a week to buy more customers, right? That's up to you. Go back. I don't want to boost this one. Confirm. And it's posted. So I go to my active listings. It is getting reviewed by Facebook. Make sure it's not against any of the policies. Now, what I'll do, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go on the search just for fun. And I'm going to put car phone holder. Right? Mine is not approved yet, so I don't think it's going to show right away. But see, it's all showing all the car phone holders, right? Oh, somebody else posted the same one as me. And then you're going to see some other ads. But this is how I post my stuff. I don't want to make this video longer. It's already been 10 minutes. But those are a couple of tips I want you to make sure to do and you follow. You have a clean space. You know, every single time you want to make a post for your business or for your items, you use the same spot. So you don't have to worry about, oh, I got to clean the counter, or I got to clean the bedroom, or I got to, like, this is my station for my photos. Make nice photos. Also make sure you take a photo of the box, how it comes. Make sure you take a photo of the actual item so customers can see what it is and how it works. Okay? And make sure you use your tags. Make sure if you're selling jewelry, you put your tags. It's a jewelry, it's a bracelet, it's a ring, it's a whatever that is, right? If I'm posting this, it's a Stanley digital bar timer. So I use my tags. So when people are looking for a timer, they can find my item before they go somewhere else. And also make sure you join as many possible groups. Like, I'm not saying to go spam them, but join as many groups as possible. So when you actually make your post, you don't have to go post it 20 different times in 20 different groups. It takes time and energy, and we don't have that much time, right? We are busy doing our business. So when you post on your marketplace, you can also share on everything else. Thank you so much for watching. My goal is, guys, I want to share my knowledge. I want you to do well. I want you to post your stuff. I want you to make sales. I want you to make money. If you like this video, if you learned something new, make sure you hit the subscribe. Make sure you like the channel, and make sure you follow the channel. Have a great day. Hey, what's up? I just didn't want to make that video that much longer because it was already long enough. But something I have forgot to mention, to make sure you take a video for under 1 minute. So with this one is like 12 seconds. So you made your pictures, you took all the stuff you did for your Facebook post, for your marketplace. Make a video for 30 seconds or 35 seconds, right? And if you have the item open so that people can see how it works and how it looks like. But that's 30 seconds so far. So you can make a nice video for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and you can add a video to your Facebook marketplace post as long as it's under 1 minute. You can add music, or you can do what I do, explain your product to your customers as you make it. So it's 45 seconds, that's long enough, perfect. And I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna add this to my marketplace item. Thanks again for watching.